When you're looking at an ERP implementation, it's easy to miss the most crucial factor in a successful project, choosing the right partner to guide you. When it comes to implementing NetSuite ERP, Gurus offers a unique approach called Sherpa. The goal is for our experts to lead the way while tightly collaborating with your team. What does that mean? Well, we work alongside your skilled resources. We can help support you using a coaching approach. We can lead the project, divide the workload 50-50 with your team, or we can take on as much or as little work as you feel comfortable with. Ultimately, our approach accommodates for the most flexible mode of engagement. Sherpa means guide, and that's exactly what our team will do. We guide you in order to ensure you reach the peak of your company's potential. For businesses that are making the transition into ERP, here are some of the steps that our experts will take you through. A sit-down to discuss the architecture of your current business processes, a prioritization of functionalities and discussion of customization needs, evaluation of strategic initiatives for streamlining back-office operations, a collaborative selection of technology, and change management. Gurus uses a stage gate process, carefully placing quality measures at the beginning and end of each phase of the engagement procedure to ensure that strategic initiatives, technology, processes, change management requirements, and challenges are fully addressed. We are a 5-star award-winning NetSuite team, the largest NetSuite services provider across North America, with consultants across Canada and the US. Learn more about us on our website, gurusolutions.com.